Envision the content, kidnap the message. Imagine if. Get the picture. Envision the content, kidnap the message. Imagine if. Get the picture. Envision the content, kidnap the message. Imagine if. Get the picture. Envision the content, kidnap the message. Imagine if. Get the picture.
Insanity runs through my veins. I strain. The struggle is intense, immense. It's the perpetrator slipping into a state of instability. It's killing me. The deeper it sinks, the weaker my things get. I quit. My mind's playing tricks on me. First it says you make it, but then it says your history. Creepy like Anne Rice. I think twice, then thrice, quadruple. My thoughts more loose than stuff in caboodles. Oodles and oodles of death touch my chest. The demons taking form as the better of the best. The truth is yet to come and save a brother in distress. I guess I'm just a victim, born into this mess. Repetitive, the situation, it happens every time. Why can't I see it coming? Why can't I see a sign? My heart races, my face changes formation. I pick the fifth, I can't reveal my frustrations. Cause if I do, I'm the weaker in the view of my peers. I hold the tears until it burns. Distinct illustration of a man with a broken heart. Picture what the father feels when we
envision the content, kidnap the message. Imagine if. Get the picture. Envision the content, kidnap the message. Imagine if. Get the picture.
The Vera's analysis causes calluses on my fingertips. The thing that sips at my juices produces feelings of why I must develop and swell up, envelop, propel up, embellish. Thinking of past things make me hellish. Enslavement of a race using the back entrance of a place. Do I hang my head in shame? Still losing face, happiness moves further from me, won't budge from my grudge. I'm cursed to be fudged. Perverted scruples get inserted in my pupils. Titillating fleshly thoughts I'm about to act upon. Hatred built upon things done indirectly. Feeling like the objective is to disrespect me. I often thank the Lord for forgiving me of my past, but yet it's a shame I cannot do the same. With focus intact, my mind's far from even breathing. No one's perfect for a reason. Get the picture.
Envision the content, kidnap the message. Imagine if. Get the picture.